back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. Once again, Toyota Celica, new wheels. So let's go over, I've had this car for like 2, 3, 4 months, I think, I don't know, 3 months I think. Let's go over how many wheels I had. So the car came with these horrible chrome wheels. They were just like really bad. The previous owner that had the car thought they were beautiful. He was an older guy, he just loved them. Not for me. So we got rid of those chrome wheels. After we got rid of the chrome wheels, we went to Scion FRS wheels, stock 17-inch Scion FRS wheels. Then we painted them black and got them gloss black, looked really good. Everyone seemed to like them a lot. And then I sold those and went to the OEM GTS wheels. So the original wheels. Those are what I'm currently rocking, so that's my 3rd set. I have a 4th set. We're gonna see if they fit. They're used. These are pretty awesome. They're Konig Hypergrams. I'm gonna go see if they fit on the car or not, but let me show you the wheel. Like every video, we need a little bit of pick-me-up, so we got the white original classic monster. It's like water, it's good stuff. Oh yeah, that's so good. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys the wheels. So here they are, Konig Hypergrams. Very cool, I like them a lot. They're actually gunmetal, so you guys can see that. They're pretty aggressive stance. They came off an FRS. They came with Continental tires. They're 17 inches and they should be 5x100. They're kind of dirty and they do have a little bit of scuff right here and then a little bit of scuff on the other ones, but they look really good. I like them a lot. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go out to my Celica right there and we're gonna lift up the car and we're gonna install these bad boys. So let's go ahead and put the car on jack stand. Okay, GTS wheel off, Konig on. Look at that thing. So a Hypergram. There is that spacer in here still, so I'm actually gonna remove that spacer. I forgot I left that on there, but it does fit with the 5x100s. I will clean it, and then they are gunmetal. So if you guys like the gunmetal, I know you guys have been asking to do the tsunami color with the gunmetal. We'll get a taste of it. Now I might paint these black too, so I'm not sure, but I think they look really good, especially with that red brake caliper that I did a pretty good job on. That looks pretty good. So let's remove that extra spacer because I think it's gonna be too much poke. So let's remove that spacer. Okay, so I'm kind of having an issue. I don't have lug nuts. Look at that. So I got 4 lug nuts. Those seem not to fit. And then I got this mesh of lug nuts here. So I'm gonna go through all these ones, see if I can find one that fit, but I think I'm gonna have to go to the store. I think I'll end up doing the acorn style, but with open. I like that. I think I'll have to go buy some of these. But currently I can't get them to fit on right because of those lug nuts. So we'll try some of these, see if they work. If they work, great. Okay, so wheel number 1 is on. Let's grab a GTS wheel number 2. Set that aside, and then see, this is that little wheel spacer. Remove that. Otherwise, I think we'll have too much poke and not enough thread. Ooh, that looks good in there. Doesn't that look good? All right, here is the new wheel. And then those are the lug nuts I'm gonna be using, those little chrome ones. I'll get better ones soon here. I'll actually probably go buy them right now. But we're just test fitting this. And then once I get this wheel on, once I get the wheel on, oh wow, look at that thing, that looks sick. Once I get the wheel, dirty job always. Once I get the wheel on, we'll lower the car and then I'll mount the other two, and if they look good, I'll go buy some new lug nuts for them and then we'll do an edit. If they don't look good, maybe I won't keep them, but we'll see what I can do. I really like these wheels. I think they look good. I think my first Celica I ran with Konigs or EXIGE. I can't remember which one I had, but very similar in the high spoke. Okay, here's a moment of truth. We're gonna lift it up just a little further, remove the jack stands, and then I'm hoping that it doesn't have any rub. So I gotta be careful on the way down so it doesn't ruin any of the paint. Good. Yes, absolutely sold. Ooh. What do you guys think? Thumbs up? Hit the thumbs up button if you guys think that looks good. Yep, that looks good. I'm sold. Sold, we're done. No more GTS wheels. For sale. These are awesome. Wow. So we gotta go drive around though, make sure that there's no rubbing. These wheels are meant for big brakes, is what I'm told. So you guys can see that there is a lot of room for big brakes in there, but they look really good. I actually like them in this dark color, but I still might paint them black. Wow, that looks awesome. All right, let's tighten these lug nuts up, and I need to go, let's go buy some new lug nuts. That's what I need. All right, so We're in the MR2. We're on a mission. We got to go get some new lugs. We are going to get, they are 12s by 1.5. So that's what we need, the thread pitch. I think I'm going to do black ones. So let's run into the store and see if I can find them. But I should be able to find some acorn style lug nuts. I love my MR2 though. We're in the boosted MR2. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we're at the auto parts store. Before we go in the auto parts store though, let's look at this. So these are the open-ended, and I love those. I remember I bought those a long time ago and I thought they were like, wow, those look so good. Those are the open-ended ones that I run on my LOTUS, no, on my MR2 Spider. And I think they look pretty good, acorn style, but I think I might go with the closed-ended black ones. So let's go ahead and run into the store and I'll show you guys what I get, and then we'll mount the rest of the Konig Hypergrams. Okay, right back with it. So these are what we bought. Dorman, Dorman help! Spline drive wheel lock M12 1.5. So not 1.25, but 1.5. The pitch is a little bit thicker on the Celica. That's what they want. So these are the ones that you're gonna wanna use. These were $35 including tax. So I think it's pretty reasonable. I needed new ones. Especially since it's already in town and I didn't have to order them offline. So $35. Let's go back to the car project and finish it up. Ooh, yeah. 2ZZ, baby. Oh, is it boosted? Yes, sir. Woo! So, all right, little tunnel, little good up. Oh, jeez. All right, back in the garage. I ended up getting the air compressor out because I did not want to do all this. All the wheels without the air compressor. So let's go buzz all the wheels on real quick here. I love this thing right here. It's really good. Got the impact gun. Buzz the wheels off and then buzz on the new one. Okay, so we buzzed on the new lug nuts. I cleaned the wheel. I think I did a pretty good job. It's pretty shiny. I went with black closed-ended acorns. M12 by 1.50. M12 by 1.50 is the thread pitch that you want to put on the Celica wheel studs, red rotors or red brake calipers, Konig. These are really, really nice. I love this. So let's go ahead and do this on the front and then we'll call it a day and I'll do the edit. Oh, I'm so excited. Please hit the like button for this. Now, I do have a giveaway, so let's go in the garage real quick. So I'm not using these spacers anymore, so I'm gonna be giving these away. So to enter, to get these, if you want to enter to win the spacers, all you have to do, you don't have to buy anything from my website. I would love for you to buy something from my website, swing by at MITCHDORE.com. All you have to do is go and type in Konig forged wheels for the win. That's all you gotta do. Konig, so the wheels that we got, it's in the title, forged, they're forged wheels for the win. That's all you gotta do is type that in, Konig forged wheels for the win, and I'll pick the winner. And then you have to go to my newest Instagram post, and I have the Instagram link below, and you have to comment the same thing on the Instagram post, and then I will DM you on Instagram and say, hey, you won. So there needs, it has to be a comment there and a comment on here. Always throw in a like button for that too, but I will mail those out. So if you want spacers for your OEM GTS wheels, or GT, they're 5x100 spacers, and they're 5mm free. I'll ship them out to you. Just go comment those two things. All right, let's go ahead and finish that last wheel. Okay, so I've completed the driver's side, so now we're on the passenger side. You guys can see those chrome lug nuts that I have. I don't think those look as good. So let's go ahead and get the black ones on there and then we'll go to the edit. Wow, I'm in love. This is so good looking. I can't believe they turned out so good. All right, one last step. These are so sexy. You guys, comment down below to get the win. So last thing we gotta do is, I love this little thing right here. We're gonna add some, to make sure the pressure's right. Look at that, so easy. So we're gonna put tire pressure in it, make sure it's right. It was a little bit low, hang around 20. I think I'll hang around about 36-ish, right around there. So yeah, right, that looks pretty good, right there. So go do that with the rest of them, and then we'll go do the edit. Oh my gosh, these look expensive. That looks so good. Just parked the car. I just got out of the car. I got out of the car and I go, oh my gosh, that is a good reaction. Oh my gosh, that is unreal. It looks like I just increased the value of this car by a ton. This car, to the normal consumer, if you're a Celica fan, you'll love the GTS wheels. You know it's a GTS. Not a little badge right there, it says GTS, but by those wheels that car's a higher trim. This right here, oh my gosh, just to anyone, it makes this car look so much more valuable. That looks spot on. I am obsessed. I love it. Oh, it looks so good. I love the red brake calipers. I think that looks so good. I love that I went and got the black acorn lug nuts. I love the center cap on it. Oh, those look so good. Look at that fitment. Baby, she's wide. Baby, look at that. Oh, she's just poking. Look at that. No spacers, nothing needed. It looks so good. Look at this. Look at that fitment. Oh my gosh, guys. This is the biggest win on the car so far. Wheels, these Konig wheels are the biggest win in my opinion so far. Oh gosh, that looks so good. The Celica just went through the roof. Now, this might now be my favorite car. Literally, I was like not feeling this car lately, and this did it for me. This is exactly what I needed. I am in love with this car. Like, oh, I'm feeling the look. The aesthetics with the tint, with the TRD high style spoiler and those wheels. The wheels just did it. I'm so happy. This honestly could be in my garage forever now. Like, I am obsessed with this. Wow. Someone wrote on a comment the other day, they're like, Mitch, how do you get all this stuff done? Caffeine. I drink a lot of energy. Coffee, I love black coffee. That's how I get a lot of stuff done. No, but I have a vision of what the car should look like, and these came up, and sometimes your vision goes a little left or a little right, but wow, this one was a really nice surprise. I did not think I was gonna put these on my car, but I'm obsessed with them. The only issues that I have, okay, I do have a couple issues. One is the tires look too meaty. The car needs to be slightly lower, just slightly, not in the rear. The rear of the car is perfect. We're done. That looks perfect to me. You can't get better fitment in my opinion, how wide that is. And I'm gonna tell you guys the specs here in a quick second, but that right there is perfect fitment. Ta-da, I've achieved perfect fitment on the rear. The fronts, the tires look a little bit beefy in my opinion, too beefy, and then it needs to go down a little bit. It needs to be lowered a little bit. And then the last complaint that I have, that the one I don't really like, is on these wheels. I gotta clean this off real quick, but there's these little holes right here, and I wish they were filled. If they were filled, I would have loved them a little bit more. I think that makes it look a little bit more expensive, but whatever, doesn't matter. And I think I'm gonna leave them the color they are. I think I'm gonna leave them. Wow, I'm so happy. Okay, so these are Konig Hypergrams. This is, listen to this, 17 by 9. Whew. 17 by 9. So I was running 7.5. So I got a 1.5 inches more of traction. That's great, all the way around, all the way around. They are offset are plus 40, plus 40. I'll have this all linked below. They're 5x100s, that's the bolt pattern. Did you guys know that the STIs, the original, I think that, not original, but the 2004 Blobeye and Hawkeye, I think they're 5x100 too. So I could have ran STI wheels on my car. That would have been cool. And then the wheels, or the tires, excuse me, are Continental Extreme Contact Sports 245. So we just went from 205 to 245. 40, so they're even smaller profiles. My last profiles were 45, 17 inches. So, and I get an inch. Everything about these wheels are superior than the GTS wheels. Oh, I'm so happy. Really good job, really good find. Love it. This car, I'm in love with this car. I think each wheel weighs about 16 pounds, which we weighed the original OEM wheel, and that's less than the OEM wheel. They're bigger, they're better in every single way. They really are, they really are. And they're forged. Oh my gosh, I love them. All right, so giveaway, all you gotta do is comment down below, and make sure to hit the like button, guys, subscribe. We're growing, the channel's getting big. I love it, I really appreciate it all. Hope you guys are enjoying this content. I got more Evo content coming soon, and more Lotus ELISE content coming soon. Make sure to like, guys, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.